to share Attention TV. So much so be like no share no subscribe. Once Attention TV, yes, we inspire you more. Not just say, and near ma a year ni kankwan near the bro, near Koso, Ghana, memoir near the bro. Once on my a bind or mem has said, yeah. So so pay Juma ya, a baima, and I said, any be office who would have aya na mbebun etaki can be brese or penibia peso omo adwuma sabi wo pese wo de wachika from anaso omo ne mai wano e de da rough ansa ye bema adwuma ya ma adwuma ye na nia onu wafu sa asem we bi ni onu afam bi pen enye obi ye nua baba akopɛ o so no ka kire Afia Schwar se sa nsem we anase se experience we wafam da ye lawyer ni pani bia wo pa adwuma on office Afia nkasa na numutu nsem Afia ka se lawyer ni daye adwuma no so wamfa ma no na ono Afia wambo ni dua na emo lawyer no wo wuye na oba ba wu no so amane owu ye ansa owu di ne kono anu odi ma enti Afia Schwar emra sesia
na papa no be wu ne show ahu say kwasia wo se kwasia na wo ye judge okumase ne friend Johnny me maami da G na me ko hwe me maami wo G na mo amunim G no se G e kwan da G wo fa soja line kokofa court small girl me wo fa ma ko hwe me maami wo G ntimi tuton wo no makopie ke ayi ase ho ayi pizza ase ho na makọ akofa atonso boko trotro na papa ejina me about 18 or something like that. You're a beautiful girl, Mary SS. You're a beautiful girl, me so profumo. After me come profugo from said your madam. I said, wow, I like your control of the English language. And here now free back. I'm a catcher, papa. He said, me mommy. At the hospital, me mommy ko ye no tishi hwitem nti mommy da hospital ti me ko he me mommy o hospital o papa when am say papa so ofie papa nya adwuma papa ne se mema wo adwuma minya mema wo adwuma papa ne fa ho di me sa atre odi mi wi akes ka kwa o mame okosi mi wato nsu janhye ni masa nante akofi na mi nim se adwuma no menya edwuma bi me fra papa no kwa no mfa wamfa me ko obi wa wunya me betua ne kapa ne di Johnny wo yakwasia na sei na nyankopon kun no edwuma bi na me fra papa no kwa wamfa enti aseme makaka me be ye adwuma e wo post office Kumasi post office na me ton card papa bi wo ho minim so te ase a oya achacha papa bi wo post office wo Kumasi edum post office no na papa bi ton success card any birthday card ne those gifts oya achacha e wo post office ho na me boss no na me ye adwuma masa achacha no ene na yere nara se judge ni edime papa ne da so ho papa no na me ye adwuma mam nara se judge ni edime na osori anu asade ne girl abegina baby a me ye adwuma no abeto card adwuma no wan fa mame asemi atwamu be se 2 years on force ena madam for ye adwuma wo ho efre me ka kire me se papa na damfo bi wo ye judge no so ba ho betade 1990 bibia na early 2000 bibi something like na woni Johnny ne baaye no obaaye na ntoma bonase ne se yo ohumia no pantoma no say forgive me, I have offended you, I have offended a lot of women and they are killing me. Now what I saw is something I have never seen all my life before. And the show who you say I swear to God, I swear by the Holy Spirit. I think a week or two later, we heard that he died. He was a judge at Kumasi High Court. If you are taking advantage of a young girl, I can't tell you the number of times the man will come and buy from the shop na me tomadi no. Na wadani nani no kwa na mako she toilet so na me sum. Because I was young. And I don't need to tell you that his wretched body, it was everything I didn't want to remember. I lived with the trauma for so long. The only time I gained comfort was when I realized that Papa woo. The next he died a painful death. And next he died a painful death, he begged me. I'm saying this to you if you're using a public office to intimidate a Kolebia. And nobody in the Medici. And your bonny in a and in your Medici. Quite now, frame me. Oh, frame me, I'm a catcher, and who send me use this line. Medical catcher will say, Can a cotte, Farfun you done. Farfun you done. Farfun you done, and I honorable funa where we. Unya honorable funa where we. Can a cotte. Farfun you done, can a cotte, Farfun you done, Eata mochino, Eata mochino, Eata moletino. They are abusing you, abuse them back. And now the obidiwa akko so could you know what come the watch dear Daniel on going to me police station. And let me tell you, they can't do shit to you. Or be to government office no person with you are or no case or commit a crime. It's a crime. And Kolana motion and it is a crime. When the program I hear slow.
This nonsense must stop. As I open you maybe office more. I am now break. O papa ni mo bia. O brain penny phone. O money on what the daddy that rough. A bed then a son near my way at Twitcha. Your best stress say, sounds some way at to be trapped. Macro.